everybody, I am Lacquer Lover and it is October and it's been so long since I've filmed and posted a video for you guys, so I will have all the details in the description box if you're curious as to why I've been MIA, and I will also film a video if you guys are curious. But anyways, I have this Wow Thing music video inspired nail art that I did at the end of September, and I'm finally doing the tutorial now. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. First, as always, I'm using my unpeel off base coat and just applying that to all my fingernails to protect them so they don't get stained and whatnot from the color that we're going to be applying on top. Then apply a medium blue to the index fingernail, gray to the middle fingernail, and a bluish green to the ring fingernail, as well as white to the pinky and thumbnails. We're starting with a radial gradient for the index finger, so I'm just using a dark blue to draw a ring and then filling in the circle with a white polish and then just sponging that onto my index nail. So do that several times until it is opaque and the gradient is smooth. Then apply top coat to even this layer out, and then use white polish to draw a cross in the center of your nail, and this will allow you to easily draw a circle by connecting those points with these arcs. And then once you have the circle outlined, then just go ahead and fill in the center with more white polish. Then using black polish, draw a triangle at the 12 o'clock position and then dots for the 3, 6, and 9 positions. Then go ahead and write 0 where 12 would be, which is where the triangle is, and then 3, 6, and 9 for the other dots. In the center, you just want to put a blob of black polish and then just draw some lines going up and down, and then just use a red polish to draw the outline of the clock. For the middle fingernail, you want to start with a light blue to draw the rough outline of a butterfly. And then fill that in with more of that light blue polish. Then use a medium blue shade to start drawing out some outlines that separate the body part from the wings, and then use a darker blue to fill in the body part, and then use the medium blue to add some shadings that separate the two wings from each other, and then you can also use white for the highlights. And just make sure to blend that in so it looks like a gradient. Then take your medium blue shade and put some dots to the left of the butterfly, and now I'm going to be doing the ring finger, which is just a lot of like a super sheer blue and then some pink and purples in like this spiral pattern that kind of shows like a ripple in the water. For the pinky, just apply a unicorn skin topper. For the thumb, just blob on some purple, hot pink, and white onto a sponge, and then sponge that onto your thumbnail. And just do this several times until you get your desired opacity and also how blended you want it to be. And then just take your top coat and apply a generous layer. Then I'm going to be writing Wow Thing, which is the name of the song, obviously, and it's kind of really cursive-y and like squiggly, so I'm doing this in white so that later when we make it yellow, the yellow will truly pop off of the background. Then go over the white letters with yellow polish. So your Wow Thing music video inspired nail art is complete, and you just want to apply a generous layer of top coat to your nails, and then your design is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching my nail art videos, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, Lacquer Lover, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye everyone!